All right, today I'm going to show you how to swap out your Onewheel XR battery pack. If you got diminished range and you purchased a pack from me or someone else and you want to swap it out of your battery housing, this is going to be how to do it. Take your time, be very careful, pay attention. Don't rush it. You can definitely damage some things in here. It's not a hard job, but you can definitely damage things pretty easily. Some things you're going to need: 3/32 Allen, a Phillips, and some kind of little tiny flathead type tool. Doesn't have to be anything really specific. A pick type thing might work as well. So this is your battery housing. You're going to have 5 Phillips here, and then you're going to have 10 3/32 Allens around here. So we're going to take all those apart and out. Okay, now that all of those are out, you're going to flip your battery housing over without letting the top come off, like so. And we're going to slowly pry off the top. So this here is your battery management system, your BMS, and then your bad cell pack. What we're going to do very carefully is you're going to disconnect this big one from the BMS. Sometimes I like to use this just to help to get in there, make sure this doesn't actually touch the BMS. And you're going to very carefully unplug this plug without damaging anything here. Go very slowly and gently. And then we'll disconnect this one here as well. You also got this little guy. Now we're going to get in here and get our old pack out. We're going to drop in our new pack. Make sure wires are pushed on the side and they're not going to be pinched. Should go in nice and flush. We want to connect back our wires here. Okay, after you get everything plugged back in, double checked, we're going to put our BMS down inside where it came from. And we're going to slowly put our top back on. Okay, once you have them all inside the grooves, you're going to flip it over without letting the top off, so it's not bolted in. And you're going to let it sit there. And then we're slowly just going to put each bolt back in and bolt it down. here you are. Just make sure you fully charge the pack before you actually go riding. And that's it.